Hello everyone, this is Meera and I am from Hazaribagh, Jharkhand. Guys, I have told you many times that I belong from a small village of a small town, and I am from a farmer family too. So in this video, I will show you my cucumber plants which we have grown earlier. I have told you many times in many videos, as well as today I will show you that they are now now it's time to harvest some cucumber. And in previous video I have told you that we will harvest in 15 to 20 days, but no guys, it's earlier. They are so fast, they grown fast, so we have to harvest it within 1 to 2 days. And it's so fine, it's looking so beautiful. I will show you. It's the time of evening, and I just came to my field to make video, and you can just hear the some noise of children. They are playing football and they are making noise. And do you know guys, this time I feel very good. Guys, I think you are noticing that my voice is changed little bit because now I am suffering from cold and cough, so my voice is little bit changed. So don't worry, it will be cured soon. And guys, I will show you. So, and do you know guys, this time is so busy for me because it's time to Ramnavami as well as Chhath Puja. So do you know who is belonging to Jharkhand, Bihar? They can relate that we celebrate Chhath Puja 2 times in a year. First in Chat month, and second we celebrate in Kartik month. So always we celebrate Chhath Puja in both the months. So this is the time of Chhath, and we are celebrating Chhath as well as Ramnavami. First we will celebrate Chhath, and later we will celebrate Ramnavami. And guys, who is belonging to Hazaribagh, they know that what is the Ramnavami, real Ramnavami we can see in Hazaribagh, not in except we don't feel because Ramnavami means Hazaribagh's Ramnavami. So this is the other thing, and now I will show you my cucumber. So wait. So guys, you can see that these are so beautiful, and later I will show you the harvesting time. It's 1 to 2 days later we will do harvesting, and it will be so fine, and we are happy. And just look at this, how beautiful they are. They have grown long, and later wait, next I will show you more. Look at this, these are so good. And now I am feeling to eat, but I will not eat. It's evening time. So guys, I hope this video is so helpful for you, and if you are learning something new from my videos, so please share with your friends and who wants to learn English, and please support me. And thanks for watching my video. Thank you. And one more thing guys, from where you are watching my video, please comment. I want to know that from where you are watching and from how many places my YouTube family is with me. So thanks for watching my video. Thank you.